That's cute, Bobby. Look at you go. Is that fun? Yeah, you're still going. Bobby, this is quite a bath you're taking. Let me see that Quaker beak. Yeah, that cute Quaker beak. Yeah, you're gonna go back to bathing? What's Mommy and Mitna doing? Where's your Mitna?
He just bit me. He's over there.
Hi. You biting? Hi, Mitna. Hi, Mitna. You done? Oh, what bird? What bird?